Jatend migawo mar wuoth kaachiel kod gedo mag piny pacho Kaindi Davis Chirchir oyango ni jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto biro yawo kanyendo gedo manindo mar reru mar gach okolo e kaunti onogo ma Narok chieng' tich ang'wen e juma niendi mar mondo mi obi otude koda manindo mabende biro yawe e kaunti niendi ma Kisumu kochopo kanyendo chieng' ngeso e gwenge kuma Kibosa. Ka otwak e gwenge makono yango ni reru nendo mar gach okolo mabende dhi kalo nyaka e kaunti nendo ma Bomet en manendo madhi bero chenro mag ohala e gwenge makono kendo neno ni dongruoge mopogore opogore ochopo ne oganda makono. Wach mosiri koda gavana e kaunti ma Narok manendo Patrick Ole Ntutu mabende koro yango ni en kilomita maromo 98 kendo dhi kalo e kuonde chung' od buche ma ok tin 3 e kaunti nendo ma Narok ka okwayo oganda makono mondo mi chieng' tich ang'wen owuok oko karomgi kendo ne girwako jatend piny Kenya gi sironyo e gwenge makono.
The CEO for the National Land Commission tukifika kupanga kazi ya Thursday rais atakuwa hapa kushindua hii mradi ya reli kutoka Naivasha kufika Kisumu, some 369 kilometers. We'll be launching here at Narok Teachers College. And as you can see on my left, the preparations are fairly advanced for the groundbreaking ceremony for Thursday to basically move the railway from where we left in 2016-2017 in Naivasha, kwenda baka Kisumu, and later on all the way to Malaba. These are very consequential development, very momentous time in the history of our country. We only saw this kind of things happening way back at the century. And 125 years later, we are here in Narok mapping the second route. Of course, we've done from Mombasa to Nairobi and Naivasha, and we'll be coming through Narok, through Sotik, Bomet, Sotik, Kericho, all the way to Kisumu, and like we said, to Malaba later on. So we are ready.
As you can see, work has started. His Excellency the President will be here on the 19th to officially launch our railway line. And we want to take this opportunity again and thank His Excellency the President, because this was one of the promises that he had made for the people of Narok County, and it is now coming to reality. So mine is just to call for all our people to come here and welcome His Excellency the President, and also come and see the new railway line that is going to start from Suswa, the connection that ended in Kekonyokie, and now it's going to pass through our county. It's going to pass Narok North, Narok South, Narok West, all the way to now Bomet. So it's about 98 kilometers.